We are Sorted, a group of mates who have your back when it comes to all things food. From cooking battles to gadget reviews
it's not worth it.
and cookbook challenges to a midweek meal packs app.
Crack your eggs and bake.
We uncover the tools that'll help us all cook and eat smarter. Join our community where everything we do starts with you.
Hello everyone, I'm Mike, this is Baz, welcome to Freakshake.
Today we're reviewing the gifts that just keep on giving.
Quite literally, every month until you cancel.
This week we have selected some edible subscription services. So the gift that keeps on giving. There are going to be a number of them under the cloche and our two normals will pass comment on them. Simple. Lift the cloche on your first.
Come on, let's do this together. Worth it.
Cake Tasting Club.
What? This is already excellent.
This is the classic box, and in the classic box you get a mixture of sponge cake, brownies, bars, cookies or biscuits, always 4 portions of baked loveliness.
And the packaging's made from plants, not plastic, we like that.
Last touch. The only thing I find troubles me a little bit is I can't think of the last time I had cake on my own.
Does that trouble you? I mean, out of all the things to be troubled by in the world, that troubles you.
Mate, honestly, it's the top. It's up.
You've got a lovely life. You've got a lovely life. 2 days. So, I mean, you've got to be eating all this cake in a week.
Straight away, yeah.
Yeah. Baking cakes and other delightful treats is what we're best at. We eat, sleep and live cake, and the core recipes are traditional ones passed down from their nanas.
That's nice, and that's nice. It's really moist, nice cake.
Eggs are all free range, and the bakes are always 100% vegetarian.
Banana bread.
I wasn't expecting that level of quality.
That's really nice. So, fruit and nut cookie bars.
Probably worth saying, they do use seasonal fruits and flavours throughout the year, and every month there's obviously different stuff.
Least favourite.
But it's still good though, isn't it? I mean, if you're into that, they're really good quality.
Marbled brownie.
The brownie's fantastic. I don't think you can question the quality of any of those. That is an amazing gift to be able to give someone, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because it's something that you'd never buy yourself.
No, definitely. I think buying it for yourself feels like a strange thing to do. I don't know why.
That's interesting, because you've both said that. Yeah, I presume this is something that I would treat myself with. Maybe I just live alone and quite like the idea of someone bringing me cake. The price per month, including postage, to the UK, what do you reckon?
If I was in a coffee shop, each one of those slices would be what?
£3?
Yeah, £2.50-ish.
3, 6, 9, 12.
Oh, paying £10 for that feels like a lot of money.
Like 15, 20.
£15 a month. So for £15, you get your 4 pieces of cake or biscuit or cookie or brownie and 1 tea or coffee selection. And they mix and match each month.
I like that.
Is this a superscription or a subscription?
What? But they're both... No, but...
It is a subscription.
It's a subscription, yeah.
Sub, as in
Subpar.
subpar.
It's,
Okay.
for me, it's a superscription.
I'm going to agree. It's a superscription.
Cake in the post every month. How can it not be? Condiment boys assemble. 3, 2, 1.
I was too slow, sorry.
Here we go.
Ooh.
Your next monthly subscription?
Does it come opened? Is it open? Do we get an open
In
box
the box.
discount?
I want to have a peek.
It's a monthly cheese club. Yay.
So this is going to arrive every 4 weeks. A new lineup of cheeses each month. And yes, it does come with ice blocks so that if it arrives while you're at work, it's not a problem. So in summary, 4 cheeses. A couple of them are award-winning at the Artisan Cheese Awards. These are all from the ethical dairy and they are each 150 grams.
Okay, what have we got here?
This is the...
Semi-hard farmstead cheese.
A sharp-tasting hard cheese that's tangy on the tongue and crumbly to the touch.
Nice.
That's nice, it's mild. What's this? The Alpine. This is the Rainton Tomme.
So this you should be getting a semi-soft, sweet,
I like
grassy, nutty flavour.
Actually, that's fine.
Fresh with a creamy finish.
Oh, I love that.
What have we got there? Carrick.
Carrick is a classic farmhouse cheese carrying a deep, nutty, earthy flavour with an aroma to match and took Silver Award at the 2018's Artisan Cheese Award.
That's really nice.
See?
I like cheese. I'm just gonna
Right, this is where a cheese club for me is a struggle.
Oh, it's
'cause
on me.
3 out of 4 times, I love my cheeses. There's always a blue cheese there to ruin it.
I'm going to try and get some non-veininess. Once I ordered is it Rochefort? Roquefort?
Yeah.
Roquefort.
Yeah, I thought that sounds like a posh pizza. Didn't know it was blue cheese. Pretty much had to go to hospital. Okay. Oh,
Not for you, and I think that's fine. Not everyone likes every cheese.
how?
Can I tell you something else about this box?
Yeah, who are the ethical dairy?
That's exactly what I wanted to tell you. All of these cheeses this month come from the ethical dairy, who are the first to practice and prove that it's sustainable and viable. They practice the keeping the calf with the dairy cow in the herd.
I like that. So does the dairy change each month?
Yeah, on this month, you have 4 cheeses from the same dairy, and that's what I like about, I haven't even tasted the cheeses yet, which I'm excited for.
Oh, well, you can have the lot. For me, I think this is brilliant. Sub out the cheese for something that I'd enjoy. But I like the fact that you're exposed to a new farm.
Yep.
Like a new way of animal husbandry and new sustainable methods, but experiencing a new version of the food as well each time. And also, cheese is a treat for people, isn't it? Like, you're a proper cheese eater.
Especially those cheeses. That is a Friday night right there. With a nice,
Is it?
A nice bottle of full-bodied red. Yeah. Okay then, how much for the monthly cheese club? 4 award-winning artisanal cheeses, 600 grams in total.
It's quite a lot of cheese.
Yeah, it's a lot of cheese.
£25, which feels a lot of money.
Oh, yeah, I have to agree maybe. But I'm gonna lowball it and go 20.
It's £15.50 a month for 4 cheeses delivered to you every 4 weeks.
Okay, have you got a cheesy question to ask us?
Keep or away? Spelt W-H-E-Y. Again, one had to explain.
Away.
Away. Oh, your breath stinks.
I know, I can smell it.
The monthly cheese club or cheesy club?
Monthly cheese club.
It's not for me, but it's fantastic. Take it away. That would have been good. Sign me up or take it away.
I think you're going to love this one.
Do it.
This is a monthly subscription. The one we've chosen is the World Kitchen Spice subscription. Each month we produce recipes in our development kitchen, then grind and blend the spice mixes freshly, measure them out into individual portions, and each month you'll receive all the fresh spices and recipe cards you need to cook an incredible world food feast for 4 people.
I'm excited by this.
These are dishes I've never heard of.
Yeah, this is awesome.
That's why it's quite cool.
You are just paying for the spices, right?
You're paying for
And the recipe.
The recipe, the development, and the spice blends that you use. Then you go and buy all the fresh stuff and should create a feast for 4. You're going to cook up a feast for us all,
I cook for us.
and I've done most of the work.
Okay, cool.
Okay, preheat the grill now.
Grilling.
That's the oven. For the spinach, cook the spinach with a splash of water, half of the reserved softened onion and pepper, big pinch of salt, the spinach stew blend in a covered pan for 15 minutes until the spinach is soft and silky.
Ooh.
Chicken suya. Grill the chicken skewers for 10 minutes, turning frequently to prevent them from burning, or until the crust begins to char on the outside and the chicken is cooked through.
That's great.
I should point out that chicken's already had a nice herb oil marinade, and then the suya spices with peanut and breadcrumb coating.
Wow, I'm excited. Jollof rice. Stir the rice, tomato puree, jollof spices. Smell.
Whoa.
That's amazing, isn't it?
Salt and 500 mils of water into the pan, cover and cook for 15 minutes or until the liquid has been absorbed.
Right, we got some fresh prawns there as well. So they go into the spinach for 5 minutes, give them a stir, and then lid on. Do you want to make some dessert? Should we make some hibiscus puff puffs?
The yeasted batter I've already made for you and left for an hour in a warm place.
Oh, Ebbers, you're such a wonderful Ebbers.
Carefully heat 3 centimetres of oil for frying in a deep pan. Yes, over a medium heat.
Puff puffs can be sweet or savoury with flavours ranging from chocolate to corned beef and are often served as small chops, finger food, at weddings. Wow, we're cooking up a Nigerian wedding feast and it gives you the spice blend.
Oh, so you haven't got to...
So they're not keeping it to themselves.
Never in a million years I would have thought of making this.
Right, what are we trying first? Dessert?
Dessert, of course,
Yeah.
it's there, it's hot, so...
Cheers.
Cheers.
You're doing it backwards?
Yes, we're in charge.
I thought they'd be hollow, but they're not. They're donuts. Oh, hibiscus and sugar. Ebbers, are you done?
Yep, I'm happy now.
Good. Would you like a skewer?
Please.
This is so good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is excellent.
While you're having a little nibble on it all,
Oh yeah, I forgot we did this.
how much?
You're paying for an activity, but you do need to buy
Everything else.
a lot of ingredients yourself. I'm okay with that, depending on how much this costs.
£10? It's a lot of money for spices.
I'm going to go with £15.
It's a 3-month subscription for £26, which makes it £8.33.
As much as I love the other two and I thought they were a good idea, here I feel it's better value because you're learning, it's an experience, and you're able to take all of that knowledge and experience new things.
But is this the monthly subscription that keeps on giving, or a present that isn't worth living?
That's really lame, isn't it?
It's not great.
Keeps giving.
It keeps giving.
This is the best one so far.
Tell you what, that pepper sauce keeps giving.
I mean, we're due a dud, aren't we now?
It's true, actually. Yeah.
No, save the best till last.
Honeywell
Biscuit Company.
Jammy
Jeffy Dodger
Dodger
Freakshake.
This is the Freakshake subscription. Each month, a kit will arrive to make a delicious, decadent, fully loaded Freakshake so you can be the envy of all your friends. A perfect, interactive teen gift with no screens in sight. Packaging is recycled, compostable or recyclable wherever possible. Each month, they arrive and it includes all the dry ingredients, piping bags, piping templates and recipe cards that you may or may not need for each month's Freakshake, and they have a shelf life of 6 months.
So you just need to add milk, strawberry ice cream, squirty cream, and your freaky side.
I didn't like the squirty cream, but I did make you homemade strawberry ice cream.
Okay, should we do it? Snip off the corner and drizzle the chocolate around the edge of the glass.
Yeah?
Oh, Baz. That is shocking.
No, I'm actually quite annoyed at myself.
And we make the shake by putting the strawberry shake powder, a glass of milk and a scoop of strawberry ice cream into a blender.
Yeah.
Mix until smooth. Smooth. Pour into a glass. Oh, hello. Top with a scoop of ice cream and squirty cream. So do you want to go squirty cream all over that? Yeah, there you go, there you go, there you go. It's gonna just... I mean, we've been... I mean, I'm so freaky
We're
right now.
exposing ourselves there, Mike.
There you go, oh yeah. And then finish with a drizzle of strawberry sizzle.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness, look at it. It's definitely a Freakshake.
Yep.
Go on, mate.
Be honest, you don't really expect anything from a Freakshake. You're
No.
expecting a monstrosity, and that's what you get.
Yeah.
It's a bit of fun.
How much for the 3 months? Or you can do it per month if you want. I've done the maths.
Off the shelf, there is the value is no more than £1.
But you do get the glass and the straw.
On your first one.
£2. £9. Yeah, I'll go.
For 3 months.
Pound
For 3 months.
£15 for the 3
Yeah,
months.
maximum.
Comes in at £40 for 3 months. That's £13.33 a month. For the first month, you get your mason glass. The rest of the time, you just get the recipe and the dry ingredients.
£13.33 per month.
Is this Freakshake subscription or Weekshake subscription?
It's a weak shake. I mean, come on.
I like what they're trying to do. I think the company offer far better services. So for me, this is a Weekshake.
Now, speaking of subscriptions,
If you're interested in joining the Sorted Book subscription, which gets you 3 brand new recipe books delivered straight to your door every year, as well as access to the Sorted Club,
it's the most cost-effective way of getting a book to your door.
yes, if you'd like to learn more, click the link in the description box below. But for now, see you at 4 p.m. on Sunday.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and all that jazz. Bye.
The Packs app is just one of the tools being used as part of the Sorted Club. Members are also discovering and sharing restaurant recommendations using the Eat app, listening and contributing to our Feast Your Ears podcast, and giving us inspiration for new cookbooks received throughout the year. It's all included, so check out Sorted membership by heading to sorted.club. And now a blooper.
Open wide. 4 p.m. on our YouTube channel.
Yeah. It was all air at the start. Like,